Hello boys and girls, how you all doing? So in just a moment I'm going to show you the trailer of Speed Is My Need. But first of all, I just want to talk a little bit about this film and tell you what I think about it now that I've watched all of it. And I have to say it's a very, very interesting documentary. Now if you love your motorcycles, then you're definitely going to love this film. Now this film's based around superbikes and it gives you a great insight to what goes on in their families and, you know, what goes through their minds, as well as what it's like to come from that sort of background. It's got everything from crashes, also what goes through their mind before a big race, and also stories of how they started out in racing. You'll also see a few legends in there like Rocket Ron. So all in all, it's been a fantastic film, and I do highly recommend it to everyone who's watching this right now. If you don't know where it is on Netflix. You can watch it on there. It has only just been brought out as far as I know, because this is the first time I've come across it. It'll definitely get you into the biking season, that's for sure. But anyway, enough of me talking. Enjoy the trailer and don't forget to watch it, and let me know what you think in the comments.
I remember it like it was yesterday. Sitting on the grid and you look right, you look left, and you go, I'm gonna rip your head off and shit in your neck. You have to have that mentality to be a winner. Hell, we all know that every time we put a helmet on, that might be the last time. But it's a will and a drive that you cannot suppress.
The fascinating thing is how the human brain and body can operate at such high speed. Speed creates chemicals in your body. The chemicals become addictive.
Oh, and someone's gone down!
I didn't think I was going to survive it, and I wake up in the ambulance. But you have to put it in that place to where it doesn't distract you. Because if it does, it's a danger to you, danger to everybody else.
It's thrilling and exciting, and it's what they've become so accustomed to, that life without danger is just no life at all.